Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The draw for the fourth round of the Coral UK Open. Tournament Director Graham Fairhurst is ready to go, and we're joined by the former champion of the world, Keith Deller, and part of our ITV commentary team, Alan Warriner. So let's get the fourth round underway. Thank you, Keith. Number 13, Benito Vanderpass, will play number 2, Alan Norris. Number 6, Simon Whitlock, will play number 28, De Van Dijvenborg. Number 11, Jelle Klaassen, will play number 18, Vincent Vanderbilt. Number 19, Ryan Searle, will play number 30, Rob Cross. Number 22, Dave Chisnall, and he will play number 14, Peter Wright. Next up, number 31, Paul Hogan, will play number 25, Adrian Lewis. That's number 10, Chris Dobie, and he will play number 12, Martin Lukeman. That's number 9, Jermaine Watamina, who will play number 27, Michael Smith. Number 16, Gerwin Price, will play number 20, David Palat. Number 15, that's Joe Cullen, and he will play number 32, Cristo Riaz. Number 7, that's Kim Hybrex. He will play number 21, Ted Everts. Number 4, Ronnie Baxter, will play number 5, William O'Connor. Next up, number 29, Raymond van Barneveld, will play number 23, Ron Moulenkamp. Number 8, that's Mark Webster. He will play number 1, Daryl Gurney. Number 3, Alan Tavern, will play number 17, John Michael. number 24, that's Kurt Shepherd. And he will play number 26, Ian White. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes a draw for the 4th round of the Coral UK Open.
So a few tasty ties in there, a couple of Dutch derbies, and Paul Hogan safely through. What a huge victory that was over Gary Anderson. He will play Adrian Lewis next. We'll have reaction from Paul Hogan and from Rob Cross and from this bloke after the break.